Today we are making a bold and flavorful Andhra-style classic Kakarakaya Ulli Karam or bitter gourd cooked with a spicy onion masala. Start with medium-sized bitter gourds, slice them into rounds. If you prefer less bitterness, sprinkle some salt and turmeric and rest them for 20 minutes. I am removing the seeds as well. Heat about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil and fry the bitter gourd rounds or slices on medium heat until they turn golden and crisp. Once they turn slightly crisp and golden, remove from oil and set them aside for later use. Continue the process with the next batch of bitter gourd pieces as well. Now for the flavorful Ulli Karam masala, in a separate pan, heat a tablespoon of oil along with some onions, few garlic cloves, few whole dry red chilies, peanuts, clove, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and saute them on low flame. Roasted chana dal, saute once again. Add salt, let this mixture cool slightly, then grind it to a coarse paste. Don't add too much water, we want it thick and full of texture. Add turmeric while grinding this mixture. Now stuff the masala mixture into the fried and crispy bitter gourd pieces, just the way shown here. Now the stuffed bitter gourd pieces are ready. Let's make the base gravy now. In a kadai, add some oil and add sliced onions. Fry them and add chopped green chilies, once they are nicely fried, I am removing the excess oil and left just a tablespoon of oil. Now added salt and also added the crispy bitter gourd pieces. Mix everything gently. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes so all those flavors marry beautifully. Be gentle while doing this process. Now there was some leftover stuffing mixture which I have grinded along with some water, and I'm going to add that masala mixture water into this Karela pieces. Give it a nice mix. Do this process on high flame, keeping a check on the bottom of the pan so that it doesn't stick. Adjust the seasonings like salt and red chili powder. Cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Serve hot with steamed rice and a drizzle of ghee. Slightly bitter, spicy, tangy, and totally addictive. This is Andhra comfort food at its best. If you love bold South Indian flavors, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.